Your neighbor just signed a 7-year loan on a brand new truck. 72 months. Over $700 a month. That are Tim's more than $53,000 for something that TM'll be worth 30 grand in 3 years, if nothing goes wrong. Meanwhile, you could buy a $12,000 truck today that TM'll still be worth 10 in 5 years. Same capability, often more reliable because it was built before manufacturers decided everything needed sensors, software, and subscription features. Here are TM's the real problem. People shop by price, not by year. They see a cheap Silverado and don't a TMT realize they bought the exact year with the lifter defect that turns into a $3,000 repair. 1 year earlier or later, and the same truck is basically bulletproof. This is now TMT, about buying old trucks. TM's about buying the right old trucks, the specific years where manufacturers accidentally built something that lasts. We analyzed Consumer Reports data, owner forums, and NHTSA records to find 12 trucks with undeniable reliability, not model ranges, exact years. By the end of this video, TM will know which years to hunt for, which ones to avoid, and exactly what to inspect before you buy. Let two TMs get into it. Number 12, our 2010 Dodge Dakota 4.7 V8. Chrysler discontinued the Dakota right when it finally got good. That about TM's exactly why it about TM's cheap. You get a mid-sized truck with a real V8, solid towing capability, and a footprint that still fits in a normal garage. The 4.7-liter V8 is old-school simple. No cylinder deactivation, no turbochargers. Just cast iron doing what TM's done for decades. Owner forums regularly show these crossing 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Inspect the transmission for smooth shifts and make sure cooling system maintenance wasn't what TMT ignored. Number 11, 2002 Arrow 2018 Nissan Frontier. Nissan forgot to update this truck for years. That was no TMT laziness. That was perfection through repetition. The 4.0-liter V6 is one of the most stubbornly reliable engines ever put in a mid-sized truck. No gimmicks, no surprises, just oil changes, brakes, and the occasional wear item. Inspect radiator and transmission cooler history and listen for rough idle caused by neglected maintenance. Number 10, Iwabro. 2006 Arwaro, 2014 Honda Ridgeline, automatic. Purists say TM's not a real truck. Those same purists are on a first-name basis with their mechanic. Unibody construction means no traditional frame to rot away. The 3.5-liter V6 is the same engine family that routinely hits 300,000 miles in Accords and Pilots. That in-bed trunk is TMT, a gimmick. TM is genuinely useful and stays dry year-round. Inspect suspension bushings and rear differential service history. Number 9, Arrow 2005 Arrow 2006 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 V8. These are the last GM half-tons built before cylinder deactivation turned engines into ticking time bombs. The 5.3-liter pushrod V8 is simple, rebuildable, and cheap to maintain. Parts are everywhere. Any mechanic can work on it. Skip ahead just a few model years and reliability falls off a cliff. Number 8, Arrow 2005 Arrow 2011 Ford Ranger 4.0 V6. Before a mid-size Arrow meant almost full size, the Ranger was actually compact and easy to live with. The 4.0-liter V6 traces its roots back decades and was refined until it became nearly bulletproof. Simple electronics, no proprietary nonsense. You can fix most things in your driveway. Inspect timing chain noise and rear leaf spring condition. Number 7, AEU 2005 AEU 2009 Ram 2500 gas or 5.9 Cummins. If your truck actually needs to work, this is what you buy. The legendary 5.9 Cummins is obvious ERO. But if you TM you're not towing heavy every day, the gas Hemi makes far more financial sense. Diesel reliability is real, but so are diesel repair bills. Inspect front suspension components and transmission service records. Number 6, Arrow. 1999 Arrow. 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. GMT 800. This was peak American truck engineering before GM got cute with technology. Pushrod V8s. No AFM, no direct injection. 250,000 miles is normal, not impressive. 5 grand gets you a running truck you own outright aero. Not a payment schedule. Number 5, aero. 2013 Aero 2018, Ram 1500, Pentastar V6. This is when Ram quietly fixed most of their past mistakes. The Pentastar V6 delivers real power with respectable fuel economy, and reliability jumped massively after the redesign. The ZF 8-speed is excellent if TM's been properly updated. Inspect transmission behavior carefully and confirm all software updates were applied. Number 4, Albuio 2006 AO 2014, Honda Ridgeline, manual. Same Ridgeline as before. AO, but with a manual transmission. These are rare, fun to drive, and nearly indestructible. No transmission computers, no shifting logic failures, just a clutch. If you find one, don't hesitate. They disappear fast. Number 3, AO 2012 AO 2015 Toyota Tacoma 4.0 V6. I'll also get most of it back when you sell. By 2012, Toyota fixed the frame rust issues, and the 4.0 V6 became a reliability benchmark. 200,000 miles is expected. Inspect the frame anyway. Always. Number 2, Aero 2009 Aero 2014 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote. Ford built disasters in the mid-2000s. Then they built this and made everyone forget. The 5.0 Coyote combines modern performance with real reliability. Owner forums document 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Look specifically for 2011 Aero 2014 models. Number 1, Aero 2013 Aero 2014 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote steel body. This is the one. Last years of the steel body, proven Coyote V8. All early bugs worked out. Easier repairs than aluminum trucks. Cheap parts, long service life. Buy one, drive it 10 years, sell it for almost what you paid. That TM's how you beat the system. The best truck is TMT, the newest one. TM's the one still running when everything else is waiting for parts.